So you might be wanting to go ahead and slow motion a video on CapCut. Now, the thing you have to remember is that this is pretty much going to make your video look choppy unless you're filming in like 60 frames per second. If you're filming in the standard 30 frames, it's not really going to look that smooth, so keep that in mind, but it's still an option that you have. So what you want to first start off by doing is open up your CapCut application. So open up CapCut, and what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and click on New Project. If you already have a video open, you can go and click it. In this case, we'll just have a new project, and I will go ahead and bring in this video that I made like 4 or 5 months ago. I don't remember what it was, but what I can do is I can click on that video, click Add, and you'll be able to bring that video in. Now, if you play that video standard, you'll basically see it's a smooth video, looks pretty good. This is 30 frames per second, so it's not going to look that smooth. This video is also being filmed at 30 frames per second, so it's probably going to look even more choppier when I slow it down. But what you're going to want to do here is you want to click on the video you want to go ahead and slow-mo, and here you will see the second option as of right now that says speed. So what you want to do is you want to click on that speed option, and what you're going to want to do here is you want to go and click on normal. Now, when this next panel comes up, you can go ahead and toggle this specific portion down or up depending on if you want to slow motion it or if you want to speed it up. So in this case, we're going to slow-mo it. So what we can do is we can go ahead and grab this little toggle thing, and you can bring it closer to basically the 0.1 number. Now, the lower the number is, the longer it's going to be and the slower it's going to be. It also tells you how much longer it's going to be. So this is basically half as fast as it was before. So you can see it, I don't know if you can tell over the camera, but it is fairly choppier than what it was before. But you are able to slow-mo a video as low as you want to. So I can go and grab this and I can bring it down even lower if I want to. So now this is very slow. This is it's like 22 seconds. It was a 6-second clip. Now it's 22 seconds. And from here, you can go ahead and basically make this video as long or as short as you want to. You can go ahead and you can cut it up and add it wherever you want to. And then whenever you're done, you can click that check mark there. And that is it. The video is now technically in slow motion, and you can pretty much do whatever you want to with this video now. So in terms of that, kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.